Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete multiple pages in Word. Friends, if you want to delete multiple pages in your Word document, like in this document I want to delete page number 3, 7 and 9. So I will start deleting from page number 9. Basically we need to first delete from end side of the document. So first I will change the view. For that I will click on View tab. Now here I will select multiple pages. Now it will show multiple pages on the screen. So now I need to press Ctrl G on my keyboard. Now here I need to enter the page number which I want to delete first. So I will type 9. Now after entering the page number, click on Go To. Now you are on page number 9. So to select complete page number 9, you need to type a command and here type \page and click on Go To. Now as you can see, it has selected complete page number 9. Now click on Close. You simply need to press delete on your keyboard. Now page number 9 is deleted. Now repeat the same process. Press Ctrl G on your keyboard and now enter the page number. Now I will enter page number 7 and press on Go To. Now it will take me to page number 7. So here I type the command to select the page \page. Now press on Go To. Now it has selected the page number 7. Now I will press delete on my keyboard. Now my page number 7 is also deleted. So likewise again I will press Ctrl G on my keyboard and now I will type page number 3 and click on Go To. Now it has taken me to the page number 3. Now I will enter the command to select the page. So I will type \page and click on Go To. Now my page number 3 is selected and I will press delete on my keyboard to delete page number 3. Now I have deleted all the 3 pages. So like this you can very easily delete multiple pages in your Word document. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.